How to fix Instagram app not updating to latest version. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you are having trouble updating your Instagram app to the latest version, don't worry, you are in the right place. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. A poor connection can prevent the update from downloading. You can easily try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if it helps. Second step, restart your device. Hold down power button and swipe towards restart. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can fix issues with app updates. And then you need to move towards the other step if restart doesn't work. Simply long press on Instagram. Tap I icon. Now choose storage uses and tap clear cache. After that, open Play Store on your device. If you are using App Store, you need to if you are using iPhone, open App Store. Now search for Instagram, and if you see update button, then you simply need to update it. If it doesn't, then you need to simply free up your device space. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device for the update to download. If none of the above step works, try uninstalling Instagram and then reinstall it from Google Play Store or App Store. That's it. So now you can easily fix the issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.